To the unboxing process of these three products. I've got the Magna Clean Professional 2 and Vailant Pure EcoFit Pure 425. It's an open vent boiler, and I've got a standard Flue kit. So I'm gonna unbox this product for the first time, and we're gonna see what we've got. So I'm gonna start with this Magna Clean Professional 2. I got this product from Mr. Central Heating, and let's get this open for the first time. And today is 23rd. Is it 23rd or 24th? Today's 24th. Yeah, today's 24th of October 2019. Here I've got the manual. Sorry. Got the manual and say register online. And here's what I've got. The filter itself, and got some extra tools. Just need to be careful with this because I don't want it to drop on the floor. And the support, honestly I don't know what it is called, but this is alignment to remove after valve installation. That's what we've got. So I believe this is gonna be going directly into this place, and there are some other kits that come with this. I'm gonna take these out. Let me separate these so that I don't drop anything on the floor. And here we are. Everything has been taken out of the box. So we've got the manual, and here's the box again just to show you. And this comes on the inside, and inside of it we've got all these kits, the filter kit, and this is all you should be expecting. Now I don't know the name for all these kits, so I would need to go through the manual to be able to name all these kits professionally, but I'm not a professional at this. This is just an unboxing process, so please don't crucify me online. It's just for sharing purpose. Standard horizontal Flue kit. Alright, so this is the Flue kit, and this is what we should be having inside. I'm just gonna open it from this side. Kind of difficult to understand how this is put together, but I think just start cutting it from here. Just using your hand will be more than okay. And right here, first thing that comes up as usual is the manual or the installation process. And we've got all the kits, two of this, and then we've got the curve. I'm not sure how exactly this is meant to stack up, but as I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing the unboxing process because I bought this myself. And I've got this as well. Do you call this pipe? Yes, it is the pipe. And I've got some extra thing on the inside here, right in the middle. I don't think this can be detached, but I'll pull this. And right inside this pouch, we've got something else in there, and I'm going to take it out gently. I must say this is well packaged. This is some kind of tightening screw, and this is to hold the hose or the pipe together or somewhere, something like that. And that is all we've got inside this box. As you can see, we've got these two. We've got the pipe, we've got the tightening belts, and the cold pipe as well, just to make it probably towards the outside or from the back of the Vailant boiler. So I'm gonna pull this on the side, and then we're gonna deal with the Vailant boiler itself, which is underneath here. Okay, so this is the Vailant EcoFit Pure 425 itself. Got the belt, tightening belt, and I'm gonna start by cutting this off. Quite. Snap. You may want to use a more sharper scissors or knife or blade. Perfect. Now the instruction is already there. You need to stack it up vertically and then take it out gently. So I always like to do this unboxing process for all the products that I buy, just in case there's something missing inside, and I can actually show some video proof and have it returned. Yeah. As usual, you will have the instruction manual at the top and the warranty. And I think this is from the European Union. UK is part of the European Union, as you can see the label. And got some screws here. Let me put it on the side. It's A rating, the energy rating. I would have loved it to be A++, but this is what I've got. It's 25 kilowatts. As I said again, the manual is here. I'm gonna put this on the side. We're probably gonna explore that later on during the installation process. Here I've got some connecting metal or brass pipe. I've got these rubber hose as well, curved rubber hose. So if you're buying this, I would expect that you should have all of this inside. If there's anything missing, I can go back to the vendor and have it returned. Or if you think that there's something missing, please put your comments below. And I've got this curved pipe as well. And after going through the manual, then I will be able to know exactly how to get this installed. And there's some kind of like a switch, like a tap switch, something like that. Let me see what it's called. It's not written on it. They'll only have part numbers. They don't have some kind of description. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Now what else do we have here? I've got like a washer, or sometimes they call it gasket, I believe, right there, and something else here. I don't know what exactly this is called, but it's got something. One of these holes must be used when fixing. So wall hanging bracket, Flue securing. Okay, so this is to secure the Flue kit, the one I unboxed earlier on, and that's what this is for. And I think this will be part of the Flue kit securing as well. And I think there's a way to attach it. We're going to go explore the manual later on. And let's take out this PVC and bring out the thing itself. Alright, so I will try and put this on the floor. Whoa, something is wrong here. I don't think I'll be able to do it. So it was the belt that was actually holding things together, so I don't have to put these on the ground, and I will just take it out gently. That looks really perfect. So I'm gonna turn these around so that everyone can see. You need to be very careful. That's a lot of money. This cost about 925 pounds when I bought it, and this is what I've got in here. That is the open vent boiler, 25 kilowatts. Let me see if I can just take out these. Maybe we can just explore some other part of this this boiler. There you go. So here's what we've got. Now I'm not an expert when it comes to Vailant boiler. I'm not sure if there's something that can be opened here, but I know this is the front controller, and all right, I'm just gonna pull this back. I'm going to explore all of this later on. It has some information right at the front here and on the back. This is what we've got on the back of the boiler. So I'm going to get the expert to a qualified gas engineer, certified gas engineer as they put it, to help me to have this installed. And I'm going to record the installation process as well, share it with you guys. And if you have any question, put it in the comment below. I'll share it with the expert and he will provide an answer to it. And thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumb up. As I said, I'm not an expert because I bought this myself. I'm just sharing the unboxing process. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.